How can you justify releasing these folks out in the public?
Sparks flew in Frankfurt Thursday over Governor Andy Beshear's executive orders commuting the sentences of hundreds of inmates.
You've disrespected our law enforcement officers. You've disrespected our entire system. And why did you go so far with this?
I do understand the concerns of victims. We have more things than one to understand, and that is the lives of the people that are also in our care. And so we balance.
The orders were part of the state's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The Justice and Public Safety Cabinet worried inmates and prison staff would be vulnerable to the virus.
We had only to watch television to see the effect of how this disease spreads in closed environments.
Secretary Mary Noble says the state's prisons developed extensive cleaning protocols and acquired PPE, but it wasn't enough. To reduce the prison population, the state decided to grant conditional commutations to inmates who met certain criteria. Those who were medically vulnerable and had less than 5 years left on their sentence were released, as well as those with less than 6 months to serve. Inmates convicted of violent or sexual offenses did not qualify.
We really took great care to balance the risks of the public health risks from the virus with the public safety.
Between April and August, a total of more than 1,800 inmates were released. At a joint committee hearing Thursday, some lawmakers questioned whether crime victims were considered.
If you were the victim of a first-degree burglary in your home, how would you feel knowing that the governor released the person that broke into your home and was armed?
While others applauded what they see as efforts to save lives.
If we didn't take some action to protect them, we would be changing a sentence of a few years in prison for theft, basically effectively into a death sentence.
Despite the commutations and the state's other efforts, inmates in all 14 of Kentucky's prisons have tested positive for COVID-19 since the pandemic began. So far, 19 inmates and 2 staff members have died. Denny Camper, WLKY News.